As the steward of an upscale shopping center, you know that every detail shapes the experience of your tenants and their customers. Today, forward-thinking properties are considering a new amenity: electric vehicle charging stations. Offering EV chargers positions your center as a destination for eco-conscious, high-spending visitors. It signals innovation and sustainability, elevating your center's reputation among both tenants and the community. Combining EV charging with LED lighting upgrades can help you meet sustainability goals and reduce overall energy costs. With demand for EV infrastructure on the rise, early adoption ensures your property remains competitive. At Voss, our approach is consultative and comprehensive. We start with a free site assessment for your unique layout. Our team manages every step, from design and installation to integration with your existing systems, ensuring maximum efficiency. We also help you navigate incentives and plan for future scalability, so your investment continues to pay dividends. Ready to elevate your property? Visit vosslighting.com to schedule your complimentary consultation today.